The Material World 13. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4118, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that simplicity is a part of faith. Islam does not teach Muslims to give up all their wealth and lawful desires, but it instead teaches them to adopt a simple lifestyle in all aspects of their life, such as their food, clothing, housing and business, so that it provides them free time to prepare for the hereafter adequately. This involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This simple life includes striving in this world in order to fulfill one's needs and the needs of their dependents without excessiveness, waste or extravagance. The more one concentrates on a simple life, the easier it becomes to use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This leads to peace and success in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
In addition, a Muslim should understand that the simpler life they lead, the less they will stress over worldly things, and therefore the more they will be able to strive for the hereafter, thereby obtaining peace of mind, body and soul. But the more complicated a person's life is, the more they will stress, encounter difficulties, and strive less for their hereafter, as their preoccupations with worldly things will never seem to end. This attitude will prevent them from obtaining peace of mind, body and soul. Simplicity leads to a life of ease in this world, and a straightforward accounting on the Day of Judgment. Whereas, a complicated and indulgent life will only lead to a stressful life and a severe and difficult accounting on the Day of Judgment. The more strict one's accounting, the more they will be punished. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 103.